To DJH Prestige Sports, where we've just acquired this lovely Jaguar XF. It's a 2-litre diesel, top of the range portfolio, finished in beautiful blue metallic. Got front park distance control. It's the facelift model. Privacy glass to the rear. Twin exhaust. It's got rear park distance control and camera as well. Boot area is in lovely condition. Full portfolio leather interior. Electric windows, electric mirrors, electric seats, heated seats. Car really is in lovely, starts up lovely. It's done 95,427 miles. The air vents do retract back as well. It's got paddle shift on the gearbox, multifunction steering wheel, cruise control, media pack. DAB radio, satellite navigation, reverse park camera with park distance control, Bluetooth connectivity, climate control, heated seats, climate seats there, different driving modes. So you've got your rain, ice, snow, eco, normal, dynamic. Dynamic makes all the rev counter and everything go all red. The background's got 2 keys, locking wheel nut, centre armrest with the USB and AUX. Really no wear on it whatsoever, really, considering the mileage. Really is a top example. So you can see those air vents all work. DJH offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.